Prices for Rolex and Patek Philippe watches fell to a 2-year low on the secondary market last month. That is according to the Bloomberg Subdial Watch Index. It comes as demand for the pricey timepieces continued to decline amid rising supply. For more, let's bring in Bloomberg's Geneva reporter Andy Hoffman, who has the tough job of following the luxury watch market for us. Andy, prices then for luxury watches falling again on the secondary market. Is there any sign of recovery at this stage?
Tom, the good news, I guess, if you're in the market for a Rolex or a Patek, is no, not at this moment. You know, there's a lot of folks that thought things had evened out recently, but no. Prices fell of the prices of the Bloomberg Subdial Watch Index down about 1.8% in October. Rolex prices down, Patek Philippe prices down, Audemars Piguet prices on the secondary market down. There is more supply, and it is taking dealers longer to sell watches. Obviously, we are well off the peaks that we saw in April 2022. That was after the boom that in demand for luxury watches that happened during COVID.
Yes, I was going to ask you about how this compares to recent history, because COVID, people sitting at home had more, in aggregate, more disposable income, spent some of it on watches, I understand, Andy. So how do these prices then compare to the peak? We're increasingly far from the peak.
We are. So we're at, basically 2-year lows, which is as far back as we can measure the data for us. But, at the peak, we are down from April 22 about 42% for the Bloomberg Subdial Watch Index. And, Rolex prices have done a little bit better than others. They're down about 27% from that peak. And Patek prices down almost 50%. 47%.
Wow.
And so, obviously, yeah, I mean, it's quite a decline, but let's remember, most of these watches still trade on the secondary market above the retail price.